come towards the 10th question of this chapter, that is how important is the presence of air bladder in Pisces. Now what is Pisces? First of all, you have to know, you have to remember what is Pisces. So Pisces is actually a super class. It is a super class under the division Gnathostomata, and under the phylum, subphylum Vertebrata, under the phylum Chordata. So Pisces is a superclass under the division Gnathostomata. Pisces is the group of animals bearing fins, paired fins. So what are the animals included in the superclass Pisces? All the fishes, without exception, all the fishes on earth are included in the superclass Pisces. Alright, so I hope it is clear that what are Pisces. Now, how important is the presence of air bladder in Pisces? That question is asking the importance of air bladder present in fishes. So first of all, what is air bladder? So air bladder is actually also known as gallbladder, or we can say it is a sac. It is a air-filled sac. Air bladder in fishes is actually a air-filled sac. An air-filled sac present in fishes, not all fishes, in some fishes. Present in fishes is known as air bladder. First of all, the definition of air bladder is provided now. What is air bladder? It is an air-filled sac present inside the body of all fishes or some fishes, which is known as air bladder. Now what is the importance of presence of this air bladder inside the body of fishes? So as we know that air bladder is an air sac, is filled with air, so it provides buoyancy to fishes. If it is present in any fish, then this fish is provided with buoyancy. It can ascend, it can descend in water, or it can even stay in the water currents. This is very helpful. Because of this air sac, this air bladder, the fishes can able to ascend, can descend in the water, also can stay in the water with the help of this air bladder. It provides buoyancy. So this air bladder provides buoyancy to the fishes, all right, which can help them to ascend, descend, even stay in the water current, Alright, but the interesting thing about air bladder is it is air bladder providing buoyancy to fish and helps in ascending or descending in the water to fishes, and also they help in the to stay in the water for fishes, but it is not present in all the fishes. It is found in the member of your bony fishes, your osteichthyes. We have superclass Pisces. Pisces includes all the fishes, but in the superclass Pisces we have two classes, chondrichthyes and osteichthyes. Chondrichthyes is a class of fishes which include all the big cartilaginous fishes, or I may say the fishes which have endoskeleton made up of cartilage. And there is another class included in the superclass Pisces, that is Osteichthyes. This class Osteichthyes includes all the fishes who have endoskeleton made up of bone. They are comparatively smaller in size. Alright, so if we're talking about the superclass Pisces, it have two classes in it, that is Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. The Chondrichthyes fishes like sharks, the bigger fishes, and the skeleton which is made up of cartilage in them, these fishes or Chondrichthyes class does not have air bladder. That is why they have to swim constantly without sinking. If they stop swimming in water, they will sink because no air bladder is present in them, and that is why they have to swim constantly throughout their life without sinking. But the small fishes, the freshwater fishes, or the fishes, bony fishes we call them, bony fishes or the fishes, the endoskeleton in which it is made up of bones, they can stop their swimming, they can ascend in water, they can descend in water, they can stop swimming in water currents because they have air bladder in their body. They will not sink because they are provided with buoyancy with the help of their air bladder. So the bony fishes or the fishes included in the class of Osteichthyes, they have air bladder and they cannot sink because they have air bladder. They are provided with buoyancy. But if we talk about the another class Chondrichthyes, they do not have air bladder. They have to swim constantly without sinking because they are devoid of air bladder. And this is the complete solution of question number 10.